Welcome back to another episode in the Philippines. On today's episode, we are on a tour with Hotspot Tours and we are doing Tour D and C. We paid 1,600 pesos per person and that included lunch and all island entry fees. If you're new to the channel, then don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the release of our next episode.
In the left side we have a home.
Okay, thanks. On our first stop of the day, we stopped off at Secret Beach, which was really awesome, so I took the drone up in the air to check out what it looked like inside. We actually had to swim through this tiny hole, which was really cool. After around 45 minutes, we headed over to the next stop, which was lunchtime, as the original boat trip was quite long to get to the first stop. This island was called Taputan Beach, which was really beautiful. After a delicious lunch, we headed over to our next stop, which was Kadlau Island, which has to be one of my favourite spots in the Philippines so far. We actually had canoes on this stop. Kayaks cost 200 pesos to rent and I would highly recommend it. I put my GoPro into the water and I didn't actually realise that I was filming a turtle, which was really cool. After that amazing stop, we was over to the last island, which was called Helicopter Island, and they were certainly leaving the best till last. If you enjoyed this episode, then don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, because that really helps my channel out. Also, comment below if you are planning on coming to El Nido anytime soon. In the next episode, we are heading over to Taputan Island for the Isla Island experience, where we'll be living remotely on a small island. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.